Hi everyone, welcome back to Diva Decorating. Okay, so today's video is going to be about creative last minute tablescape decorating. And when I say last minute, I mean last minute, okay, literally, okay. I started on this table yesterday, late yesterday evening, and I just got through with it like a couple of minutes ago, okay? Because I had to run out to the store. I had to get some more things that I didn't have. And, you know, I just barely just got it together, okay? Because I didn't know what idea I wanted to go with. And I love the colors that I came up with. I just did the usual New Year's Eve colors. And, you know, I love the way that it came out, okay? So without further ado, I'm going to show you what I came up with. And here's the table. Okay, let's get into what I've done. Okay, I'm going to start with the centerpiece, which is the star of the show. And it is a DIY, y'all. And it is a glam glittered champagne bottle. And I am just loving this. Look at her. I mean, you know, I've seen other YouTubers do this and I wanted to try it. And so I just said, okay, I'm just going to try to make me one this year. And I really like the way that it came out. So sparkly and pretty. Now, I have it sitting inside this black vase that just has some jewels in there that I use to lift up the bottle a little bit so you can see it better. And this is just bling wrap that I had blinged it out with. And I threw some beads of different colors around it because I really didn't know what I wanted my centerpiece to be. And I was struggling with what I wanted. I usually always do flowers, and I just wanted something a little different. And last minute came up with this idea, and I think I like it. And just around it in the corners, I just put some Christmas ornaments. Now for the place setting, I just have some of these placemats from Home Goods that I picked up. I believe I picked them up last year. I wanted silver because I had been seeing everyone else have the silver, but they didn't have it. They just had the gold. So I picked them up. It was a set of 8. I don't remember how much it cost, but it wasn't terribly expensive. And I know everyone's seen these gold chargers from the Dollar Tree. This is the first time I've purchased some. I just purchased these today, so those are new. The plate is old. I already had the 2 black plates, which I thought I had 4 when I looked, but it was 2 dark blue plates that looked black, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to get 2 more black plates. Which I didn't because my Dollar Tree didn't have any. And I'll show you in a minute what I came up with since they didn't have the black plates. And on top of the black plate, I just have this wire basket that was gifted to me from my daughter's friend. And she only gave her 3. So I only could use 2 of them for 2 place settings. And I just put those there just for decoration. And then I have my bowl sitting inside of that. These were bowls that I already had. And I don't know what you call this, but you find them at the Dollar Tree. It's very festive, and I like to use these sometime on my table settings. And next to it, I just have a black paper napkin that I rolled up and put in the Dollar Tree napkin ring. And I put one of the blowers in there so everyone sitting at the table can have their own blower to ring in the new year. And next to that, I just have a little martini plastic cup from the Dollar Tree with some confetti inside of it, and a tea light, and a feather from a boa. And this is a candle holder that I made, glass candle holder, which I was going to put this candle on, and then I changed my mind at the last minute. I don't know, I just didn't feel right about this candle being big and it's sitting up here. I just kept feeling it was going to fall off. You know, I was going crazy about that, but I think I like it better sitting on the table and instead of sitting up on there. And next to that, I just have another one of these gold, whatever you call these things. Somebody please let me know in the comments, what do you call those? And moving on to this place setting, it's different from that one over there because this is where I didn't have a black plate to put in it. So I just, the only thing they really had that I could choose that would go is this clear plate right here, which goes with anything. So I don't have to worry about that. And again, I have my black bowl, and I have a lace gold mask sitting there. I love these. I think they are so pretty. And they're so festive for the... Okay, and over to this one. It's the same place setting as over there. And of course, this place setting matches this one over here. And as you can see, I have a different mask on this side, which is beautiful. I love that too. But I only picked up one mask from a Dollar Tree. And then when I went back to my Dollar Tree, they didn't have the same mask. So I just went with that one because my theme is the black and gold. So that's fine for that. And that is my New Year's table setting. Oh, let me tell you about this tablecloth. The plastic tablecloth came from the Dollar Tree. And it was a rectangular tablecloth, which I didn't see any for my table, for the, you know, for the shape of my table. So I picked that up and felt that I could do something with it. So I just took it and folded it in half, and it still fits the table perfectly. So I'm glad that turned out okay. And just to give you another pan around the table. Let me tell you about the candle. The candle is Pumpkin Twilight. I know that, you know, Halloween. I know that Thanksgiving is over with, but I'm still using my pumpkin candle because it's black and it goes with the color, so it's sitting there. Oh, and I have a little DIY surprise that I'm going to show you at the end of this video. Okay guys, I'm going to take you to my bar and let you see how I set it up. I will not go over everything that's in the bar. Just come along with me. And this is how I have my bar currently set up. I don't want to make this video extra long, so that's why I'm not going to go into everything. But if you would like to see a video on how I set this bar up and the little DIYs that I did, please let me know in the comment area. There's my candies. I always keep candy on my bar. Oh, sorry about that light, guys. I'm going to back up so it doesn't blind you. It is dark. My light is not good in this room. Sorry about that. There's my candies over there. There's my water fountain. Yeah, home is where the wine is. Yes, it is. Okay, now I'm going to show you my little DIY that I did that I am so proud of, and it came out great. Ta-da! Let me open the door a little bit more. I made this New Year's wreath, okay, and I am loving it. I love the black color. I love the gold. I love the boa. And I just wrote Happy New Year on there, on the party hat. Sorry, this light sucks. That's how that's looking. I do wreaths for every holiday, and I do tablescapes for every holiday, even when there isn't a holiday, like in August. That's my birthday month, so I usually do my birthstone, which is peridot. So I usually use those colors for that month. But I love doing my tablescapes. They're so fun to do and to come up with different looks. Okay, so I'm going to end this video and get ready to bring in the new year tonight. And I hope you guys stay safe. You know, I hope you have a good time. I hope the new year be prosperous for you with health, wealth, finances, all that good stuff. And until I see you again, I want you to like this video. I want you to share this video. Share it with your friends, your relatives, your kids. Just share it. Leave me a comment. And don't forget to tap that notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a video. Bye, guys. Happy New Year.